This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Delano 24FB is a Class C RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 5, spare tire kit, oven, air conditioning, leveling jacks, Skylight, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, TV, awning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Delano 24FB is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.